Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to download apps to your iPhone. The first thing you need to do is to open the App Store. When you open it for the first time, you'll be taken to the Today tab. This will give you a list of featured apps. You can also view the Games tab, which shows game applications, and the Apps tab, which has more general apps. There's also the Arcade tab, which requires an Apple Arcade subscription. Now if you want to search for a specific app, click on the Search tab. It has a magnifying glass icon. Then, tap the search bar at the very top and type in the app you want to download. For this example, I'm going to search for Zoom. Once you've searched, you'll see a list of results. Just click on the app you want to download. In our case, it's Zoom Workplace. After clicking on the app, you can scroll down to view more information about it. However, if you just want to download it, scroll all the way back to the top or just look for the blue Get button. After a few seconds, you might be prompted to enter your Apple account password. Go ahead and do that if it asks you. I don't need to because mine is already set up, so I'm going to double-click the power button to proceed with the download using Face ID. Once the application has been downloaded, you'll see a new Open button. You can open the app from here, or you can open it from your home screen. And again, if you don't see it on your home screen, you can always search for the application. Once you've opened the app, you can go ahead and start using it just as you normally would. And that's it. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to Rome Tips for more useful tutorials.